The difference between a factory made wig and a custom made wig. But first of all, let's start by defining what a custom made wig is and what a factory made wig is. Custom made wigs are types of wigs meticulously crafted to fit a particular head size. For example, the wig I'm wearing on my head is a custom made wig. I made the wig by myself to fit my skull. Your skull size and mine can never be the same. Do you understand? So that's where custom made wigs comes to play. Like if you bring your bundles for me to make a wig for you, I would want to know your actual head size. Or as a professional wig maker, I don't need to have your actual head size. I know how to customize that wig, craft it to, you know, suit your head size. I know how to do that even without your head measurements. Don't ask me because I'm not here to teach you how to make wigs. But with this explanation, you now understand what custom made wigs are. Factory made wigs are those wigs made in the factory. Simple. They are those wigs made in the factory. Like what I'm wearing, assuming that this hair is made in the factory, like the bundles, the closures, the wig nets, and sewing it in the like it's being sewn in the factory. It's a factory made wig. Simple. That's the meaning of factory made wigs made in the factory. So when I hear people say that factory made wigs are fake hairs, that they are not full, blah blah blah, let me tell you one thing you don't know. There is what we call hair density, like hair gram. Yes, you can actually use 200 grams to make a wig. You can actually use 300 grams to make a wig, 350, 400, 500 grams to make a wig, depending on how you want your hair to be full. There are some hairs that 200 grams is enough to make a wig. So those hairs that are being made with 200 grams, you cannot compare it with a factory made wig made with 300 grams or made with 400 grams. Their prices differs, their density differs, their weight differs. Do you understand? And their gram differs. Understand? So when you buy a factory made wig made with 200 grams, 250, 300 grams, their prices differs. It doesn't mean that factory made wigs are fake. It depends on what you bought. There are very good factory made wigs. Also remember that it's not only one factory that make wigs. We have different factories that make wigs, and we have different companies that buy from those factories to sell. So each factory has their own quality, and there are companies that sell maybe the best quality more than the other. If you don't know about this and you become a victim of those people that bought from those factories that do not produce quality factory made wigs, then you end up saying factory made wigs are not good, blah blah blah. No, it is not true. Not true. There are very, very good factory made wigs. Like when you wear them, it's as good as customized wigs. Also have it in mind that custom made wigs are also customized based on quality, density, gram, and all that. You understand? So like this hair that I'm wearing is about 280 grams. Is not up to 300 grams. Do you understand? It's also full. If I should bring out this hair, comb it out and everything, you understand what it depends on what you want. Understand? So these things are being made based on what you want. And mind you, the price of this hair will not be the same price with someone that's customized a 400 grams deep wave. Do you see the difference? So the differences in price depends on the quality, depends on the gram used. But if you ask me, I would say I love customized wigs. That's the custom made wigs. Wigs is best known to me. Okay, so in my next video I'm going to tell you the disadvantages of customized wigs and their advantages, and also the disadvantages of factory made wigs and the advantage. If this is your first time of coming across my video, do well to like, comment, and share. All right, thank you and God bless you. See you guys in my next video. Bye bye.